Strengthen your grip, increase strength and stamina at home with Get Out. Red and yellow hangboards, climbing fingerboard, climbing training board. Fingerboard rock climbing rack simulates various holds to tone your upper body by targeting contact finger strength and body tension core strength. Easy to install, mounting hardware and installation instructions included with this hangboard climbing board. Package includes 5 mounting screws. If installing on wall without studs, we recommend using a plywood backer board, not included, to mount the finger pull-up board. Climbing fingerboard hangboard. Exercise anywhere. Use climbing trainer board for improving your core strength in your garage, above a doorway, or on wall studs. 14 pockets with different depths and widths. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Tips to second joint, for exercises including dead, bent arm, and offset hangs, standard, offset, and one arm pull-up, L-hang, and front lever. Built to last, climbing hangboard is crafted from the same sturdy and dense material as most hand and footholds on rock walls found in most indoor gyms. Ergonomic holds of this hangboard fingerboard taper outward and downward to reduce risk of injuries. Perfect size. Climbing hangboard tapers from top to bottom from 2 inches to 1 inch, 5.1 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters, for better forearm clearance. Training board rock climbing measures 19 inches, 48.3 centimeters, at its widest and 8 inches, 20.3 centimeters, at its highest, weighs approximately 7.9 pounds, 3.5 kilograms. Top reviews from the United States. Looks great and works great. I'm not much of a rock climber, so I can't review it like that, but it works great for my needs. I bought it as a more aesthetic alternative to a pull-up bar. Those regular ones that go above your doorway are so clunky and ugly. I mounted a 3/4 piece of plywood to the wall, which was able to hit 3 studs, and then mounted the fingerboard to that. It's super sturdy that way, and I feel very comfortable putting my entire weight on it, till to 180 pounds.